In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Jira issues between boards and projects. If you've ever had a story, task, or dependency show up on the wrong board, you already know how confusing that can get. It makes tracking harder, breaks visibility across teams, and can throw off reporting. The good news is that in Jira Cloud, moving an item is usually very straightforward once you understand what controls where that issue appears. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian site or sign in through the Atlassian login page. Once you're logged in, open the software project you're currently working in, go to the active board and select the story or issue you want to move. Opening the correct ticket first is important because all the move options and field updates will happen from that issue's detail view. If the board you want belongs to a different Jira project entirely, open the issue details and look to the upper right corner for the three-dot More Actions menu. Click it, then choose Move. This opens Jira's Move wizard, which guides you through sending the issue to another project safely. In the Move screen, choose the destination project from the drop-down list. Then confirm that the issue type is still correct, such as story, and click Next. Jira may ask you to map certain fields or statuses if the destination project uses a different workflow or configuration. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. Once the mappings look right, click Move on the final confirmation screen to complete the transfer. Now, if both boards are inside the same project, the process is often different. In many Jira setups, boards are controlled by filters such as team, component, or labels. In that case, open the issue and look at the details panel on the right side. Find the field your team uses for board filtering. Remove the old value if needed, then select the new one that matches the board you want. Press enter to save the change. Once that field updates, the issue should appear on the correct board based on that filter logic. There's also a quicker method if you're working in the backlog and handling lots of items. Open the backlog view, locate the issue, and right-click it. In the context menu, look for the available sprint or board assignment options, then choose the destination you want. This can save time during planning sessions. Before you finish, open the target board and verify that the issue appears correctly. Check the status, assignee, labels, and overall placement so you know the move worked cleanly. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.